Think you can't use small caps in Microsoft Word on your phone? Well, unfortunately, the Word mobile app doesn't include a built-in small caps feature like the desktop version. But don't worry, there's still an easy workaround. First, open the Small Caps Letter Generator website. I've put the link in the description below. Once you're on the website, type the text you want to turn into small caps. You'll instantly see a preview underneath. Now just tap the copy button. Next, open the Microsoft Word app and create a new document or open an existing one. I've already typed some regular uppercase text here so you can easily compare the difference. Now simply paste the small caps text you copied from the website. And that's it! Your small caps text is now in your Word document, even on the mobile app. Pretty cool, right? If this quick tip helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next simple tech tutorial.